Hello, people. Today we are creating a follower account. Sorry, a campaign to grow followers on LinkedIn using the paid path. So you log into your LinkedIn page, click on sign in. You will put in your details. On the top right, there will be the button to advertise. You'll be taken to the campaigns that are available to you. I'm gonna switch to my business manager. This won't happen to you, but because I have a business manager and this is my ad account. See, I don't have any active campaign, so let us start. So what I want, campaigns. I'll set up a first campaign. View all objectives. What I want to do is engagements and page followers. I do usually do this for some time or get a brand awareness campaign. This is for getting leads, but this time I want to do followers. Next. Now let's go to classic so that I can show you everything. This option does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Right, so getting followers on MCS page. Okay. Engagement and yeah, that is fine. Start date. I always, I don't know, by default, I just use, I always have an end date. Next. Followers. Unlinked followers. It's called followers. I'm doing that. So when I do polite audience targeting, I'm gonna choose Nairobi. I want you guys to pay attention to this right here. I'm gonna skip the add buyer groups and to narrow it further. I want people in the tourism space to start with. The industry. Okay, let's go. Let's do hospitality industry. See, now we're down to 52,000. Accommodation is fine. I'm gonna avoid all that. Wholesale. So what do I want to exclude? I want to exclude interns. I want to exclude interns. I want to exclude Okay, we're still at 92,000. I want to include some more. Uh, I want to exclude volunteers. Okay, well, let's block. Let's go back to job experience, job functions, sorry, job seniority, paid, training, entry. I want to keep senior managers, director. Job functions. Yeah, and exclude accounting, administrative rules, business development can stay, social service can go, consulting can go, customer success can go, education can go, engineering can go. That can go, that one can go. Legal, marketing stays, government stays, military, no. Operations, no. I don't know about operations. I don't think. Let's just keep operations first. Product management, purchasing, quality assurance, real estate, research, and so on. Okay, that's fine. I really should have come up with that. I just want to follow that page, so yeah, follow. That is fine. Just LinkedIn is fine. My daily budget is $5. Needs to be $10, okay. Schedule date is not September, it's end of August. No, for so page 2. Okay, 2.5. Next. Next. Save. Now we come to the ad creation. Followers. Not recruiting. The ones yeah, get the latest information. I like this one. Grow your business through news and insights from customers. Let's just see which was better. Grow your career on many fine. Well, I want to know opportunities, latest insights, not business and the news insights from that's fine. No. Oh, those are also nice. Yeah, because I'm targeting businesses. Uber consulting service, satisfying, stay informed, blah, 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 blah. Now, my call to action is not to visit careers, it's to follow. Visit company, visit jobs, visit my no, visit company. Just want to follow, click follow. Maybe it's yeah, this company and say what. Next, navigation aerobic, industrial, a little bit at aviation. And at aviation. Mm-hmm. That 4,000 that still feels a bit much. Okay, close. Let me just see if I can get it further to um, company, job functions. Job seniority. I want to get senior, manager, director, VP, partner, founder, and owner. And I'm going to switch this from and is. Yeah, that is brilliant. Exactly what I want. Next. Save and exit. And there you go. There we have our campaign. It should be running. It should get me followers for my page. And with that, I will say goodbye.